Finally, production chief Peter LaThabs fired Marilyn from Something's Gotta Give. Marilyn was devastated by her dismissal. It's believed that in her despair, she made repeated phone calls to the Justice Department where Robert Kennedy worked, shortly after she was fired. But it is also alleged that at this time, Robert and/or his advisors concluded that his involvement with Marilyn was too politically dangerous to continue.
Determine what it is exactly that you want to accomplish.
On August 4th, 1962, Marilyn spent the day and evening making endless phone calls to her friends, and as the night grew later, her speech became more and more slurred. Then, sometime during the night, she died alone. Her phone was still clutched in her hand.